so loud just a minute. My goodness. Gosh, maybe the bird kingdom is doing what kids these days do because they're awful good to be in there. Oh my goodness, those are babies actually. I gotta get a view of them. I hope I don't get my iPads out right now. Oh my goodness, look at you little guy. How beautiful you are. Okay, I'm gonna go in before Mom and Dad come back and get me. No, this is the third, I think, set of babies in this thing this year. This is the third year that it's happened, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Just thought I'd share.